There is absolutely no doubt that Priyanka Chopra is one of the most popular Indian celebrities in the world right now, featuring on a regular international TV show and also starring in a commercial film in a substantial role. Priyanka Chopra is killing it in every aspect of life. Embarrassingly though, she has done her fair share of cringeworthy cinema in India. Discussing the worst of the worst, here is Tried and Refused Productions, with 5 horrible Priyanka Chopra Bollywood movies she does not want you to see. Number 5 goes to Priyanka as Alisha Merchant in Pyar Impossible. How or why this even was conceived as an idea is a debatable topic. Uday Chopra is a typical smart nerd, Priyanka Chopra is a typical hot enterprising woman, and these two characters in a premise of confusion and babysitting. That's the movie. The romance is so far-fetched and plastic that you get a sense of Priyanka not wanting to be there in the scene. The romance doesn't even blossom. So much so that in the end scene where he says I love you to her, she says thank you rather than reciprocating the 3 magic words. Every aspect including the music, the loose premise and the performances are a thing of the past that Priyanka would want to forget. Number 4 goes to Priyanka as Shubhi in Chamku. When a movie stars Bobby Deol in the lead role and the movie is titled Chamku, no one is excited to storm in the theatres. A movie about an assassin, the trials and tribulations he faces and the struggle to live a normal new life. Priyanka Chopra plays Shubhi, a kindergarten teacher who falls in love with Chandrama Singh, played by Bobby Deol. There is absolutely nothing impressive in the film. There is no point in the film where you root for the hero or the romance between the lead pair. With little to no chemistry between the pair, this action thriller and the romance that tries to blossom in the background is embarrassing. Number 3 goes to Priyanka as Sonia in Drona. One of the first films to do a full-blown superhero film was Drona, and it had many flaws, and I mean so many. A character and portrayal of a superhero by Abhishek Bachchan that no one connected to, a melodramatic Bollywood plot that was lackluster and boring, and action sequences that were subpar at best. Priyanka played the role of Sonia, and how Priyanka manages to keep a straight face with the corny dialogue writing is beyond anyone's imagination.
बाबूजी कहा करते थे, दुश्मन को हार मानने का एक आखिरी मौका जरूर देना चाहिए.
Even Sonia's weapon in action sequences makes no sense whatsoever. Drona, all in all, is an embarrassing film even the creators want to forget about. Number 2 goes to Priyanka as Alisha in Asambhav. This action thriller directed by Rajiv Rai can only be termed as one thing, and that is comical. The Indian president gets abducted and Captain Adit Arya goes on an undercover mission to rescue him. In this action thriller, Priyanka plays an inconsequential singer doing a show in Switzerland for drug smugglers disguised as legal business practice individuals.
मेरे नाम पे ड्रग्स की स्मगलिंग की, मेरी दोस्त शिल्पा का मर्डर किया. क्या सोचा था तुम लोगों ने? बचाओगे?
The problem with this entire film is that everything is corny and badly produced. From the action sequences to the entire plot and especially the performances. असंभव देखना सच में भाई असंभव ही है. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
Are you okay? सब ठीक तो है?
Bitch!
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
क्या इत्तेफाक है ना आरव, जिस रात तुम यहाँ से गए थे तभी यही बरसात थी.
तेरा यार टोनी किधर?
वो यार नहीं है वो.
किधर?
And number 1 goes to Priyanka as Sana Bedi or Zaisha in Love Story 2050. The idea was to create this science fiction fantasy saga of love, romance and complete absurdity without anyone noticing. Love Story 2050 was directed by Harry Baweja, produced by Pammi Baweja to launch their son Harman Baweja. And in this Baweja cluster, Priyanka Chopra got stuck portraying Sana Bedi and Zaisha.
Zaisha rules! Get out of here! Boo, this is so boring. मैं जीत के थक गई. Come on, who's the next loser? Let's go!
From a C-3PO ripoff to a creepy pink teddy bear that talks, from Boban Irani playing a caricature of Christopher Lloyd from Back to the Future, to deplorable costume design and performances, everything in the movie was not thought through, and evidently the movie became a box office and artistic disaster. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Write down the video idea with your Instagram handle for a shout out in the video. Also, please support my personal Instagram page by following me at JammyPants4. And please support the video by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.